When creating a weld by pulling across your body, the drag angle is going to be determined by what hand you are. If you're left-handed, you're going to want to start on the right and pull left. If you are right-handed, like myself, you're going to want to start on the left and pull right. In crossbody welding, you need to create the rules. The neck of the gun no longer creates that 45-degree drag angle for you. So what we're going to do is get comfortable, brace and support in a manner where you create the work angle, drag angle, and distance away. As you move through the weld, make sure you keep that stick out the correct length. Get comfortable, brace and support in a manner where you are creating the work angle, drag angle, and stick out distance.